Rocket Man, freezing my face with all these snowflakes hitting me. Hey, welcome back to IT Pro TV's 12 Days of IT, where we're unboxing 12 different IT gadgets, then giving them away. Now today's the 9th day of IT, and that means Wes is unboxing a Rocket Nano 1TB NVME. If you haven't already registered to win, head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. Then tune into our YouTube Live on Friday, December 10th at 2 p.m. Eastern to see if you're a lucky winner. Now, you won't want to miss a day, so be sure to subscribe to this channel and jingle the bell for notifications. All right, it's time for Wes to unbox the Rocket Nano. Wes, it's time for liftoff. Rocket Man! Stop it!
Hey, thanks, Zach. Yes, that's right, ladies and gentlemen. If you watch IT Pro TV, you know I'm Wes Bryant. I absolutely love hardware here. And, well, this is a piece of fancy little hardware. If you're on the go and you need some excellent performance out of an external storage device, well, we've got something for you here. This is called the Rocket Nano. And it's really using just about the fastest USB-based technology that we have now. I say that it's USB 3.2. It's a solid state drive, and what's really interesting about this thing I really like is the fact that it's using Type-C. It has up to a gigabit per second reads and writes, which is just lightning fast, if you will, and it is passively cooled, so ultra quiet. So what do you say we go ahead and we're going to open this thing up and we're going to take a look at it. I know I'm kind of excited. I tell you what, the case that it's in, might have to save that for later and store stuff in that. It is really, really sharp. And we're going to see if I can open this. Let's go ahead and rip the paper off here. Let's go ahead and I'll tell you what, let me show you what we're looking at here. Again, this is the Rocket Nano. It is the USB 3.2 external aluminum SSD. And let's go ahead and let's open this up. Man, I tell you what, this packaging too is solid. So if the hardware is anything like the packaging is, this thing is definitely going to be rock solid. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the cover here, and we'll just kind of put that to the side. Wow, this is not what I was expecting. Man, this thing is super, super small. Now, you know what's interesting? This thing, all right, fits in the palm of my hand, and it's 1 terabyte. That's right, a terabyte of NVMe USB 3.2 SSD. Boy, that thing is lightning fast. I tell you, it's sharp, and it comes with a really good packaging too. So you can tell they definitely care about their products and take care for the packaging here. Looks like it's got 2 different connectors here. So if you're on the latest and greatest, which you should be, you have your USB C to USB C cable, so to give you the fastest speed, especially with the USB 3.2 standard. And if you're like me, maybe got some older legacy devices laying around, well, this is going to work too, because it's got the Type A USB to the Type C. So again, for some of us that still have some of those older USB ports on our our machines, which is probably pretty common today, you are still in luck, so you can use this device. All right, there you go, Zach. That is a little bit about the Rocket Nano, the USB 3.2 external SSD using NVMe.
Hey, you guys realize how many carols we can fit on that thing? Thanks, Wes. Would you like to win that or any of the gadgets from the 12 Days of IT? Well, then head over to itpro.tv/12days to sign up. Then on Friday, December 10th, tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern right here for a YouTube Live and see if you're a winner. Go ahead and subscribe to the IT Pro TV YouTube channel right now and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a day. See you tomorrow for the next gift. No, not for you.